Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and today I have for you this. It is an Otterbox Commuter case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And you may see that it's obvious down there if you know that, as well with the bigger cutout for the camera. And you may see some more branding, like 3 times tested to military standard, and more Otterbox and commuter branding. We get more commuter branding on each side, like so, and then some more stuff here and there, specifically Otterbox branding here and commuter branding there, and then more stuff about the case. You can pause and read it if you want to. But something that should be noted here is that this is MagSafe compatible. The case that I had for my iPhone 14 Pro Max was not. So I could use a MagSafe charger with my 14 Pro Max through just the soft shell, but not the hard shell. Now, let's go ahead and unbox this. It's pretty difficult to do with one hand. So, let's see how we can do it. Yep. There we go. And out that goes. And here we go. Here is the case itself. For those not familiar, there is actually a ring here for MagSafe accessories in the hard shell. And I believe right here is like metal for full compatibility with the camera control button. So with the commuter series, you do get the hard shell on top and then the soft shell below. So this is how it would look fully. So we do get the cover for the USB-C port. Why is everything not wanting to go in properly? Okay. Cover for USB-C port. These are the cutouts for the speaker and microphone. Nope, speaker, microphone. I keep getting that confused. For the 17 Pro, the speaker's here, the microphone's there. Just for a refresher. Camera control button is covered. I know with the 16 series, case manufacturers would make a cutout for the button there. And then power button. And then volume controls here. And then the reason why this is not open is because here is the action button. And then here is our camera cutout. And of course, if you want more protection than this, then get a Defender series. That will have a hard shell on the bottom, soft on top, and they will actually have a built-in screen protector. And I don't know if there's any more paperwork in here, but anyway, if you found this helpful, then please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.